Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 14, leçon W. So let's discover in this video the tricky verbs that will use êTRE or avoir as their helping verb. So we're talking in that case about the compound tenses. So we've got some verbs, unfortunately for you, we'll have to remember them by heart, that will use êTRE or avoir. Keep in mind that, well, the main difference, I've been making a video covering that, so I would definitely advise you to watch it, but let's put it that way. The simple form, you will use avoir for the compound tenses when this verb will require this complément d'objet direct. Okay, this is the main difference. So let's see these verbs. Descendre, and it means to go down, and the past participle will be descendu. Okay, so keep in mind that all these verbs will be constructed whether with êTRE or avoir. Monter, to go up. Monter. Passer, to pass by. Passer. Rentrer, to return home. Rentrer. Retourner, to return. Retourner. Sortir, to go out. Sorti. Okay, so we're talking about 6 verbs, so I guess it's not such a big challenge to remember them and to remember as well the past participle. Remember, it's quite important. So before letting you go, keep in mind that it's always possible to find more videos on the YouTube channel, and it's youtube.com/imagier. So you can subscribe and definitely you can like the videos. It would be so great. Thank you very much in advance. If you want more content and if you want all the videos, all the audios, all the things that I've been producing so far, the platform is frenchforme.net. Okay, and then if you are only interested in audio or PDF for the lessons, then it's another place, and it's frenchforus.net. And last but not least, if you need to go faster, if you want some Skype lessons, it's possible. Let's try to find a convenient time for you and for me. And so just send me something through frenchforyou.net. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Au revoir et à bientôt.